So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. Remember, we are still in an uptrend move, so market is giving us a series of higher high and an higher low. So now this is it here. We had this high on GBP JPY. Then here comes the higher low, and here is our higher high. This is the higher low GBP JPY. Then here comes the higher high. This is the higher low. Markets eventually push up to form a new higher high, and here is the higher low, right? So now that we are in this higher low, we are expecting markets to push up again to form a new higher high. So guys, whatever you think you would want to be looking out for on your GBP JPY, you should be looking out for your buy. You should be looking out for your buy that we eventually push up to form a new higher high. So our prediction on our GBP JPY says we will be going bullish and we should be expecting a buy. Now let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. This is it on our support level on our 1 hour time frame. We will be looking for a push up, a bullish move again that we push up, see it form another high. Probably we should see it push up to come to tap this resistance, because when you take a look at it here, there's a minor range market move here. So we can see it once market comes to tap our resistance, we see it drop to tap our support. Then it comes to tap our resistance again, and here it drops to tap at the support. So with this movement that has been made, we are expecting another bullish move to push up to tap our resistance level. So guys, a buy is what we are expecting next on GBP JPY. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button guys, and click on the bell notification.